Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Whetstone rolling pin is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools in any baker's arsenal, allowing for precise dough handling and consistent results, making it indispensable for everything from delicate pastries to rustic breads. And today we're diving deep into what makes a great one stand out from the rest, ensuring your baking endeavors reach new heights of perfection. Number 5. Muso Wood French Rolling Pin, 15.75 inch. Experience effortless baking with our French rolling pin, crafted from durable European beech wood. Its robust construction ensures longevity and smooth, consistent rolling every time. Enjoy a perfectly smooth surface thanks to a meticulous 3-round hand sanding process. Even natural wood grains feel seamless, providing a delightful tactile experience. This 15.7-inch tool is perfectly sized for easy handling. Effortlessly achieve your desired dough thickness for everything from pizza to delicate pastries. Cleanup is a breeze with its non-stick surface and tapered ends. Just a simple rinse or wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes to keep it looking great. We're here to help with any questions you may have. Our friendly customer service team is dedicated to ensuring your satisfaction and supporting your baking journey. What we like. This rolling pin is crafted from solid European beech wood, ensuring durability and a smooth rolling experience. Its hand-sanded finish provides an exceptionally seamless texture, even around natural wood knots. If you are looking for a classic, reliable tool for all your baking needs, from pies to cookies, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The rolling pin is made of durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity and easy cleaning. Its ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, reducing strain during use. The smooth, non-porous surface prevents dough from sticking, making it ideal for various baking tasks. Number 4. Zulay Kitchen Marble Rolling Pin with Stand. Tired of struggling with tough dough? This rolling pin features 360 degrees bearings, allowing you to roll out dough evenly with minimal effort. Its smooth, cooling surface makes baking a breeze. Crafted from 100% polished marble, this tool is built to last. Its unique beauty adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, offering a durable alternative to wooden pins. Enjoy a comfortable grip with its ergonomic beechwood handle. It also includes a convenient wooden stand to keep it securely in place when not in use. Say goodbye to sticking. This naturally non-stick surface requires less flour and cleans up easily with just a damp cloth. It won't absorb odors or moisture, ensuring freshness. Perfect for all your baking needs, from bread and pastries to pasta and cookies. It's an ideal tool for any home baker and makes a wonderful gift. What we like. Experience effortless rolling with this heavy marble rolling pin, featuring 360 degrees bearings for even dough distribution. The natural cooling property of marble makes it ideal for delicate pastries and doughs that need to stay cool. If you often work with butter-rich doughs or want a sophisticated addition to your kitchen, this is the one for you. What people say. The rolling pin is made of marble, which is great for keeping dough cool. It comes with a wooden base that makes it easy to store and use. The rolling pin is heavy, which helps in rolling out dough evenly. Number 3. Muso Wood Sapele French Rolling Pin. Experience the lasting quality of our rolling pin, meticulously crafted from solid sapele wood. It's built to withstand both everyday baking and professional use. Enjoy a flawless baking experience thanks to its 3-stage hand-sanded finish. This ensures a perfectly smooth surface, even with natural wood variations. This 15.7-inch tool is your perfect partner for all your baking needs. From pizza dough to delicate pastries, it handles it all with ease. Cleanup is a breeze with its non-stick surface and tapered ends. A simple rinse or wipe is all it takes to keep it ready for your next creation. Crafted from natural sapele wood, it brings a touch of nature to your kitchen. Enjoy creating delicious treats while feeling connected to the earth. We're here to help with any questions you may have. Our friendly customer service team is dedicated to ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. Discover the unique qualities of the sapele wood rolling pin, offering both durability and a connection to nature. Its exceptionally smooth, hand-sanded finish resists sticking, making cleanup a breeze. If you appreciate the natural beauty and subtle benefits of different wood types in your kitchen tools, this rolling pin offers a distinctive experience. What people say. The rolling pin is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. Its smooth surface makes it easy to clean and prevents dough from sticking. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, allowing for precise control while rolling. Number 2. Muso Wood Walnut French Rolling Pin. Crafted from solid North American dark walnut, this rolling pin features tapered ends for effortless dough handling. Polished and treated 3 times with mineral oil, its surface is exceptionally smooth and won't stick to your dough. It's a luxurious addition to any kitchen and makes a wonderful gift. Unlike traditional rolling pins, this French-style design allows you to easily adjust dough thickness without guide rings. It's perfect for all your baking needs, from pizza to cookies. At 15.7 inches, it's easy to store and its beautiful texture makes it a lovely piece to display. You'll love how it fits into your kitchen space. We meticulously select each piece for quality and are here to help with any questions. Your satisfaction is our motivation, and we stand by the quality of our products. What we like. Elevate your baking with this luxurious rolling pin made from North American dark walnut. Treated with mineral oil, its surface is incredibly smooth and non-stick, perfect for delicate doughs. If you're seeking a high-quality, aesthetically pleasing tool that also makes a statement as a gift, this walnut rolling pin is an outstanding option. What people say. The rolling pin is made of marble, which is cool and heavy. It comes with a wooden base that holds the rolling pin nicely. The rolling pin is smooth and easy to clean. Number 1. Heritage Products French Rolling Pin. Introducing the Heritage Products French Rolling Pin, your ultimate baking companion. This versatile tool is designed to meet all your culinary needs, from delicate pastries to hearty breads. Whether you're crafting flaky pie crusts, intricate ravioli, or rustic bread, this rolling pin is up to the task. Its design ensures it's perfect for all your baking and cooking endeavors. Crafted for longevity, this 17-inch roller boasts a strong and dynamic body. Its substantial thickness ensures a sturdy and reliable performance every time you use it. Made from high-quality beechwood, it's the perfect tool for creating everything from homemade pasta to delicious pizzas. Experience the joy of working with a dough roller that handles all your favorite recipes with ease. Enjoy a comfortable and secure grip thanks to its smooth surface and ergonomic design. It provides consistent, even pressure, making your dough preparation simple and effective. This rolling pin is made from high-quality wood, ensuring a natural and beautiful addition to your kitchen. To maintain its integrity, please remember not to submerge it in water. What we like. This 17-inch beechwood rolling pin is designed for durability and ease of use, providing even pressure for all your dough needs. Its smooth surface and comfortable grip ensure a secure hold while rolling. If you need a straightforward, robust tool for everyday baking tasks like making pizza and pasta, this rolling pin delivers reliable performance. What people say. The rolling pin is made of marble, which is great for keeping dough cool. It comes with a wooden handle that is comfortable to grip. The rolling pin is heavy enough to roll out dough without much effort. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.